What's up YouTube? Welcome back. If you haven't seen the first video, click the link in the description and you'll see me tear this engine down from the oil pan up. Today we're going to take it from the top and see what's going on inside. Valve cover is off. Now that the valve cover is removed, you can go ahead and remove the head bolts. This will require a 12mm 12-point socket. I recommend the Harbor Freight high visibility 21-piece socket set. It's cheaper than buying just the Craftsman sockets, and it includes a ratchet. This is not the ratchet. So I'm gonna undo these in reverse of the installation order, which would be do. So here we go. I think I'll use this after all. That's tough, man. I used this last time. Don't know why I thought I'd roll with such a short socket or ratchet. Alright, now that the head bolts are off, I'm going to slip the timing belt off and then remove the head.
To try to save this motor, I will replace the timing belt, so.
Because I feel like that wouldn't have been done. On this poorly maintained specimen. Timing belt is off. Okay, now the head's actually ready to be removed. So I have the head off, and here's where the carnage was. It doesn't look that bad, besides the spark plug being smashed. I wonder if these valves are bent or anything. We'll find that out later. But all in all, it's not that bad. And the other cylinders, I'll have to double check this, but I think that white carbon buildup means it was running lean. That would be my guess anyways. And now here is the block. And here is the bad piston, number 3. Look at that. Wow. Hopefully this will yield some insight into what exactly could have happened. I'm gonna have to post some pics on forums and send to some buddies, but all I know is that it is gonna be a sweet workbench hanger. Sweet. Now the cylinder. So the oil squirter, I noticed before I flipped the engine over that it looked pretty bad. like it was bent, but I have some spares from another engine. There are unfortunately a couple of nice deep gashes down the entire cylinder. I'm afraid that this block is going to need to be bored to reuse, and I'd also hot tank it to hopefully attempt to get some of the metal shavings out from everywhere. Well, that's not a very fun find, but here we are.